Hey guys, welcome back to Charms Lifestyle Channel. Charms Lifestyle have another video for you today. Yes guys, I have another video here for you today and I know you will like this one. Anyway guys, how are we doing today? Before we get in this video, don't forget to like up the video, then you comment after watching the video, then yes, you can go ahead and subscribe with that post notification bell on, then you share me out, okay? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Champion Palace, and my daughter's business page at Leisure Fashion District now. And you can go over to the beauty channel and see what we have got over there for you, okay? So guys, my video today will be I got a gift. You see this guys? Look at this. I got gifts from Agel perfume. Yeah, look. I surprisingly got gifts, and if you must ask who gave me these gifts, that I cannot disclose, but of course it's a male, not a female at all. And you know why I get this gift, guys? Because I am Charms. That's the reason why I got this gift, because I am Charms. So I'm gonna show you what I got in the bag by starting with item number 1. You wanna see item number 1? Item number 1, and this one says Cindy Paris. Guys, I don't know the smell of them. I don't know how they smell, and I will not know how they smell until I open them. But Cindy C, and the name of the cologne is Leap for women. Yes, that's item number 1. Item number 2. Item number 2, and the name is Admiration or Admiration, whichever and however you pronounce it. Yeah, Admiration, whichever, whatever. That's item number 2. Item number 3 says 501 gold perfume de la Rue. Item number 3, it's for me. And the last but not least is Marjolaine. 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 And this is our last item, guys. And as I say, I don't know the smell of them, but when I use them, I will let you know which one I use and what the smell is like. You know what I'm praying for? I hope none of these affect my sinus. That's all I'm praying for. So those are my little gifts that I got because I am charmed. And tell me if you like them. Tell me which one of them you like. I don't know if you know the smell of these. You can put it in the comment section and let me know. You can tell me. So guys, let me know. Do you like the video? Do you like my gifts? Tell me in the comment section. Let me know. And thank you all for watching. And as you all know that I've come to the end of this video. So tell me everything that you want to tell me in the comment section about my gift. About my gifts, not gift. Gifts. I have a list down. So I'm out until I see you again, okay?